Get yeah. Somalis wearing white clothes, yeah, and they're always worried about how black they are and how dark skinned they are, yeah. The problem here is, yeah, look, if you wear white clothes or white dress, yeah, like, what are you thinking? You're gonna be whiter than you look? You're already black. Okay, I get it. You're worried about how dark you are. I get that too. But the problem is that white clothes will only turn you into a darker man or a lady. Why? Because you're wearing white and you look black. Even though you're not black, you will even the light-skinned Somali who wears white clothes will look black, dark, because he is darker than the clothes. Okay, so I've got one idea for you, one very good idea for you. I know some people that even do it. Alright, what is it? Yeah, just wear black, and you see how white you get. I'll show you an example. So you see now how light I am. Yeah, even though I was dark skinned, yeah, now I'm wearing black, which makes me look lighter than what I'm wearing. So think, use your head, man. Wallahi billah, dadkan aqliga waa laga qaaday. Cadaan un bay soo gashanayaan ay dhahaan, Allah, why am I not? Why do I look dark? They don't even take pictures. Have you even seen Akon with white clothes? Wallahi, that guy looks bleak as fuck.